I think there's a certain amount of mental work that needs to be done. I agree with you that people equate hard work with value and success. But if that was true, then post diggers and ditch diggers and construction workers and roofers that sit out in 110 degrees should be paid the most. But that's just not how the world works. It's the value you create. And by the way, that's not to take away from the value of roofers or post hole diggers, but if we look at value in terms of impact per person times number of people, so you may have a solution that has a small impact in somebody's life. Maybe it saves them 10 minutes in a day or a headache. But if you multiply that by 10, 100, 1,000, a million people, that starts to add up real quick. And so if you go back to the 80-20 rule, you just think about in terms of value, what can I do first just to create value, but then how can I scale the value that I'm giving the world? And when you think in those terms, I think that's how you unlock not just wealth, but just success and enlightenment in general.